what it do is T-Bo's food review, and we trying snack crates. You know what I'm saying? You know, let's see what this is busting with Israel. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let's see. That's the box. Stupid Z. Want to read? I can't read for shit right now. Read it.
Pause that. Hold on. Pause this.
I
just want to say this real quick.
Pause it.
No, I'm
How
about
you hand a dyslexic man who can't read,
Ah,
who got made fun of by
shit.
his 5th grade teacher who can't read something to read? I just opened that and it's in
fuck it.
Israel, bro.
You still
What are
recording?
you talking? Yeah, you
still
better be
recording?
recording this shit.
Alright,
Yo,
man.
what, mate?
Alright, man.
It's a
Damn.
QR code. Maybe it'll read it out on your phone for
This
us,
is a
stupid
playlist on
people.
my I'm not gonna read it, but what's it about? But here's a fun fact, though. Israel is the only country in the world that has more trees today than it had 50 years ago. Coffee and cafes are so good in Israel that it's the only country where Starbucks failed trying to break into the local market, and so on, so on. It really ain't that interesting. They snacks though, the snacks that they busting. See what we got. Put this shit up here. We got Bissell. What the fuck is that?
Bisley.
Bissell.
I'm gonna go Bisley.
I didn't edit that out. Alright, back. And then we got Bamba Peanut Puffs. You know what I'm saying? And we got Beezle's falafels.
The falafel chips.
We'll say the drink for last. And we got Cloak cookies. I don't know what those shits look like. Where cookies?
They look like
They look
what are
like
those
kidney
things?
beans.
Yeah, but wrapped in chocolate and shit.
Oh, this looking crazy. We got this Tingy Tangy Fruity Chew Oodles.
What is that like? Some foreign pop rocks, my boy.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Israel's on some others.
Sticks.
You see it now, I'm saying. And then boom, we got like bunch of like biscuits, golden candy, you know what I'm saying? And a chocolate loaf.
But elite.
We see K out here though. And sesame helva vanilla things. I don't know. If you can't tell, these shits in like different fucking
Tommy.
and that's Tommy. You know what I'm saying?
Only because I
There's a bunch of like candy left over in there, so it's fucking what's like this.
a Bisley.
Hold on.
See one of these nice curls. I seen some like, T-Bone got one of them flat ones. Got one of the curl ones. Foreign shit.
Oh, so where the drink at though? I forgot to put the drink.
I was saying, say that for last, and you're gonna snacks and shit, make them wanna. You wanna see the drink? You gotta watch the video.
Yeah, this has no taste. Cameraman, you
Absolutely.
wanna try some, cameraman?
This absolutely is not capping at all.
Yeah.
This has whatsoever no taste to it.
No
It
taste.
tastes like
No taste.
a
I'm
no
gonna
flavored
put
corn
one down.
chip.
Alright, we're gonna try this side. I ain't gonna lie, I was hyped about these, but I'm not
Oh,
gonna.
hold on. You get a little aftertaste now.
Nah.
I don't know how I feel though.
Alright, and then we're trying to bake Bisley falafel. Man, you trying weird shit, man.
Yeah, no cap. You on some weird. Oh shit. Robin shit.
Now you got flavor. I'm fucking with you.
Okay.
You want something?
Come on, camera.
Tastes like,
Do I hit this
yo,
camera?
these taste like they got sazon on them.
Oh yeah, see the cameraman, he want to hit that.
Oh,
But
oh,
he don't
you
want
go-
to try another snack.
No,
Nah, he's
try
scared.
it. Try it.
Don't be scared now,
Alright.
cameraman.
It tastes like it got fucking sazon on this bitch.
But they look like those little those probably insect things. you see
Oh,
in
what
store.
the?
What?
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Zoom in on them. Hold, show them. Show.
So,
Let me see. I'm gonna show him the bag for you. Come over here, cameraman. You see those? They a little bag of some string like potato chips. They're alright.
and then boom, we see what we got right here.
Little baggies.
Curls and some weird shit. Not really fuck with it. Right?
Take a chip. What's on that?
This is.
Oh, it's not even a chip no more?
Nah,
Oh,
this is some
man.
chocolate shit.
Alright, boy.
Yeah, this is some fire. Ooh. Ooh.
Let me see some.
Ooh.
Oh, I
Y'all
dropped
see
that.
it?
My bad.
Look at that. There's not much. Let me see if I get a different one. Yeah, I got more chocolate in it.
Those smell chocolatey. No crap, you don't even have to chew that. It's like melt in your mouth.
Mm-hmm. Nah, these are good. It take the sasso's taste away from the falafel shit. I'm messing with it.
That hazelnut? The fire.
So I know if you try it.
Save these for after. Because
Right.
these look like they're gonna have a good aftertaste. I mean, milk chocolate coins, you know how those gonna taste
I
everywhere.
use chocolate,
cheese
chocolate,
right here?
chocolate. No chocolate.
Let's go with
Some chocolate.
everything chocolate, man.
Yeah, I fuck with it.
See, you pick, man.
Alright. We're gonna try the Clicks, whatever cookies.
Yeah.
These look like kidney beans. I ain't gonna hold you.
The Whoppers, that's what they look like. Whoppers. We don't own copyright to that, but shout out Hershey's to make a fire candy. We'll try them Whoppers. But these look like those from a foreign country. Look like a milk dud, though.
Oh, shit. I wasn't playing about the cookie pie. I got it's crunchy inside now. Hang on.
I'm not playing Hershey's big thing, but these right
better.
here.
That better.
What you
Okay.
call clip cookies? Fire. I think the best thing in the box so far. I
I
don't
know.
know
I'm
if
gonna
T-Bone
try
agrees
this.
here.
Nah. Those, the Bumba.
You want the Bombas for
peanut
fire
puffs.
one first? You got
Let's
T-Bone's
try.
favorite right here.
You know what? We already know how that probably gonna taste. Let's try this.
Yeah, I feel like the chocolates, everyone know how those taste. He's got the 2 top reviews right here so far.
Hold up. There we go. This shit hard as hell. Like, what the hell? Shit.
Free Rio. Doing that time. Hope when you get out you see this. My man support you. I hope you support the channel when you get out. First video
Kids
for the
watch
channel.
this. Kids gonna watch this.
He gonna watch this one day.
Rio. Be like, cool free
Bro, Rio, that's what we be bumping.
I got smoking right now.
Ooh, they came fancy with it though.
Oh, okay.
Fancy with it. Know what I'm
Who's the
saying?
shit? I don't know if I trust it. It was only too close to saying shit. It's a foreign shit stick. Oh,
they
they
got
popping candies.
What?
Right here, milk chocolate sticks filled. I can't see.
Phil?
With milk chocolate flavored cream and popping candies.
Ooh.
Well, you better try one of these, cameraman.
Cameraman. You want cameraman?
After.
Think the
Alright,
cameraman bounce
bet.
like he thinks it's gonna be good.
Bet. Alright, say that. Let me try it. Try. You know.
Break it in half.
Put it in there.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm not a big chocolate guy.
Yeah, I'm not a sweet tooth guy either.
Just got some like vanilla cream filling shit. Give y'all a closer look. T-Bone's, a little fat over here, so he gotta get right into it.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah. Nope. I'm gonna have to pull out the water. The basic drink. We're gonna save the Zod drink still.
Alright. Alright, this looking fire. This is Rice Krispie Nougat and Caramel Bar covered in milk chocolate. The Tommy. We ain't gonna try that right now. We're gonna say that for last actually, 'cause that should look busted.
That might take the bad flavor away from everything that.
What we're gonna try right now is the mini biscuit crunch. Now these looking good. I don't know.
You wanna open a whole? You wanna do a half and a half? You
We
wait
will
till you
have
half.
half, cause this shit is nasty.
That's why I said only open one of those, bro. Get a little corny here. Oh man, I done fucked up. Y'all see what's going on here? Dylan's fucking up. My bad. The blunt down. Chalk that up as a loss. It's nothing sweet now too.
Yeah,
What
sweet.
cameraman?
I don't know. What's up with Israel and chocolate and sweet ass stuff? But nah, I look at it like what's it about? So,
Nah, what
like, Miss I Kiss and Miss Red, they love chocolate OD.
With a
So,
glass of milk, this might be good.
yeah, it would be good.
But with all these other sweets going on right now, I don't know, stomach ache in the morning, but
Yeah.
it's gonna be worth it.
Let me see the drink.
You wanna bust it out halfway?
Yeah.
Here you go. Alright, here you go.
Alright, then we got, oh shoot.
We don't even know what it is.
It's for cameraman. You can zoom in and shit.
You scared now?
Nah, you see it? Like, what the fuck is it? Like, if anybody know what this is, please text
We
us.
gonna look that up right now. We gonna look that up for the viewers.
Alright, we gonna try this after we try
You see this stuff? We gonna find us some foreign shit real
these
quick.
three. And we about to get these out the way real quick.
This shit all is foreign, bro.
Hmm?
This is all foreign. I feel like you can scan this camera out.
Oh shit.
What you got going on over there? Nah, I'm almost laid you thing, man. Got too much sweets going on. My diet, I'm a big boy. Cut back.
Oh shit. What the fuck?
That's fire? Real sweet, huh? No bueno?
It's good.
Mucho
It's
bueno?
good, but you bite it, you get like mad crunch. It's like soft crunchiness. I don't know if it's the bottom top or the top. Like it's like mad sweet and hard. Like what's going on? Like you get like two different types of textures. It's pretty good, but
Alright.
how was sesame?
Yeah, I'm passing on that. Just because there's so much like different to it. That looks really sweet.
Coming in this, I can't pronounce the color. It's Echeva sesame house, whatever. I can't pronounce that. Really. Nah, I can pronounce a lot of stuff. But I'm gonna take a bite because I don't even know what it is. What is it? What the? Oh, it better not be no tofu, son. I'll be tight. It ain't tofu.
It looks vanilla, bro. It looks like it's pure vanilla. No cap.
Oh my gosh. What did I say? Coming on this. Like, what the? Would you eat this? It don't look
Hold
good.
up.
Nah.
No bueno?
Nah. It was it's chewy.
Oh,
I can't really taste it because all the chocolate I'm eating, so I taste like that's the chocolate for the back, but it's a little sweet. I think. I don't know if that was just I taste the chocolate for before. And these are the Oodles Tiny Tangy Fruity Chew Green Apple. Want to try a few? Bro, these are what you call those? Like the little flat thingies.
I'll try a few. Try a handful.
Mm-hmm.
We got some good flavor to it.
Yeah.
I'm
You find out
looking.
what this was?
I'm looking.
Alright, he ain't find out what it is, but we gotta
I
try
did.
it anyway.
I said I didn't. He's not lying.
Ooh, it's mango. What is that? Peach. What is that? That's a peach or mango. What is that? That's peach,
That
right?
looks like a peach.
That's peach. Oh yeah, it's peach something.
Sweating. Cameraman got the heat up right now. Holding the bag. Got me sweating right now. Don't blame no cameraman.
It's good. It's like a peach juice, watery juice.
Maybe with a shot of Henny?
Hmm?
Maybe with a shot of Henny.
You say I gotta take it. It's good. I mess with it. But yeah, man, that's about everything for the snack coat review. We got another one coming next week, so stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? And you know, let's watch some nice fire merch. You know, how that probably stolen. It's gonna be the link at the end of the video.